Introducing Robato Systems Mining Logistics Management and RFID Weighbridge Automation Solution. A smart platform designed to automate vehicle identification, weighment, traffic control, and reporting for modern mining operations. Traditional weighbridge operations often face long queues, manual errors, security risks, and delayed reporting, resulting in reduced efficiency and limited operational visibility. Robato's Mining Logistics Automation Platform integrates RFID identification, automated weighment, traffic control, reporting, and ERP connectivity into one intelligent ecosystem, delivering faster, safer, and more efficient operations. Vehicles are automatically identified using RFID and ANPR technologies. Once verified, the system records vehicle information and grants access instantly, ensuring secure, fast, and error-free operations. Vehicles are automatically guided onto the weighbridge, where weight data is captured and recorded in real time. Intelligent traffic control, automated barriers, and seamless data logging ensure accurate, secure, and efficient operations. Real-time dashboards, automated reports, and seamless ERP integration provide complete operational visibility, enabling faster decisions and smarter business management. Cloud-ready, IoT-enabled, and built for Industry 4, the Robato platform delivers measurable improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and productivity while supporting future business growth. With intelligent automation, Robato Systems helps organizations improve efficiency, increase accuracy, strengthen security, and gain complete operational visibility, transforming mining logistics into a smarter, safer, and more connected future. Thank you for your time and consideration. To learn more about Robato Systems Mining Logistics and RFID Weighbridge Automation Solutions, connect with our team today. Together, let's build smarter, safer, and more efficient operations.